Good morning, children. I welcome you all in class 11th and the very first class of physical education. If I talk about physical education, I say that physical education is not a new subject for you. You have been the part of this subject since your childhood. You have been doing so many physical activities on the field, even in the classroom also during rainy seasons. We all use physical education to recreate ourselves to concentrate on a continuous basis of our work. Basically, physical education is an integral part of education which not only deals with the physical fitness of an individual, basically it also deals with the mental fitness, social fitness, emotional fitness, psychological fitness, biomechanical fitness, physiological fitness of an individual. This is what is physical education actually. And in detail, I will talk to you in the live class to make you understand the concept of physical education. Let us discuss about few definitions of physical education, that what is physical education according to different authors. As I have told you, that concept of physical education is not new for all of us. In fact, it has its role in the ancient period, although it was used in various forms in the past. Now, if I'm talking about various forms in the past, I want to say that you would have seen कि बहुत सारी गेम्स थी पुराने ज़माने में. अगर आप लोगों ने टीवी में रामायण देखी है, महाभारत देखी है, so you would have seen this thing that there were many games used to play during those times. उस टाइम पे भी घुड़सवारी होती थी, कुश्ती होती थी, शतरंज खेली जाती थी. हमने देखा है ये सारा कुछ, और आज भी तो हमारे पास ये सारा कुछ है. वी हैव रेसलिंग एज अ गेम, वी हैव चेस एज अ गेम, वी हैव हॉर्स राइडिंग एज अ गेम, सो वी हैव आर्चरी ऑल्सो एज अ गेम. तो जो फिज़िकल एजुकेशन है उसके रूट्स पास टाइम से ही हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. बस हमने ओनली इन दिस पीरियड, इन मॉडर्न पीरियड, वी हैव जस्ट मॉडिफाइड द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस ऑफ दोज इवेंट्स, और उनको एक कंपटीशन के फॉर्म के अंदर अब हम प्रेजेंट कर चुके हैं. सो दिस इज़ द डिफरेंस. एंड मोर ओवर, यू नो, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट फिजिकल एजुकेशन, बिकॉज फिजिकल एजुकेशन डील्स विद द फिजिकल fitness of an individual, mental fitness of an individual, social fitness of an individual. So we need recreational games to recreate ourselves so that we can concentrate in our studies, और on the continuous basis of work. जो भी हम काम कर रहे हैं उसको कंटिन्यू करने के लिए वो एक ब्रेक हमारे को चाहिए होता है, जिसके अंदर हम थोड़ा अपने आप को रिक्रिएट कर सकें. हम रिक्रिएट कर सकेंगे तभी हम उस काम को और अच्छे से कर पाएंगे. फॉर दैट वी नीड टू डू सम फिजिकल एजुकेशन एक्टिविटीज़, और जिनको करने से वी विल फील फ्रेश and we will be able to concentrate on our studies, to concentrate on the work which we were doing. Right now, let us discuss about few definitions of physical education according to different authors. What is the meaning of physical education? Let us discuss those definitions now. Now, according to H.C. Buck, physical education is the part of general education program which is considered with growth, development and education of children through the medium of big muscle activities. It is the education of whole child by means of physical activities. Physical education are the tools, they are selected and conducted as to influence every child's life physically, mentally, emotionally, and morally. Similarly, according to C.A. Butcher, it is an integral part of total education process which has its aim the development of physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially fit citizens through the medium of physical activities which have been selected with a view to realizing the outcomes. And according to J.B. Nash, physical education is that phase of the whole field of education that deals with big muscle activities and their related responses. So these are few important definitions which have been discussed here. You have to go through all the definitions written here. So that's all for today's lecture, where I have explained you about the meaning of physical education as well as the definitions of physical education. Tomorrow you have your live class at 10 a.m. I request each and every child of physical education of I mean the children who have taken physical education as their main subject, they must attend the live class tomorrow, because I need to discuss many things regarding this subject, as well as I have to create a WhatsApp group also, so that for that I need your numbers which should be added in the WhatsApp group. So please don't miss your class tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you everyone.